Hello everyone! Ang ituturo ko sa inyo today ay ang paggawa ng ribbon or bow gamit ang Grosgrain ribbon. Pwede nyo itong gawin either a ponytail or a clip. This was requested by a friend of mine. Ito ang kanyang inspiration. Pinadala niya ito sa akin para gayahin. Easy lang to guys. If you wanna know how to make this, just keep on watching. To make this, we need to cut 15 inches, 12 inches, and about 3 inches na grosgrain ribbon. Gamit ko dito is 1.5 and heat to seal. First thing we're gonna do is i-heat seal lahat ng ends ng ribbons. Then, kukunin natin yung 15 inches na ribbon. Ifo-fold natin in half para makita natin yung center. And then, i-running stitch lang natin by hand para mag-form yung shape ng ribbon. Ibubuhal lang natin siya ng mabuti para matibay. Yung 12 inches naman, siya yung magiging tail ng ribbon natin. Kinot ko lang yung ends para maganda yung ribbon natin. And then, i-hot seal ko ulit siya. Then, let's look for the center again. Doon natin tatahiin. And then, pull tight para mag-form yung shape. And then, ikakabit natin siya dun sa ribbon natin na unang ginawa. Yung 3 inches naman, siya yung magiging pang-cover natin sa center. Finold ko lang siya in 3, then hinatlo ko para hindi siya basta-basta bumukas. Then, pwede natin siyang kabitan ng kahit anong pang-ponytail using the hot glue. Pwede din namang alligator clip ang idikit natin. Iko-cover lang natin yung clip ng small piece of ribbon. Sinukat ko siya manually, then hinot seal ko lang yung ends. Then, i-hot glue ko siya para ma-cover din yung mga sharp edges ng alligator clip. I-stick natin yung clip using the hot glue. Yan. And then, i-cover lang din natin yung center using the 3 inches na ribbon na kinot natin. And that's it, a very nice ponytail that is so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video and sana na-inspire ko kayo na gumawa ng sarili nyong hair accessory. Don't forget to follow my IG account at Lana's Rainbows for more inspirations.